Your message is clear. Your insight is excellent. Your intention is sincere. You are called a legend. You are the poet of the East. Your words have wisdom. My judgment is least. Mr. President, respected teachers and dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today, I am going to say something about a personality who has no need to praise, who is unique in his capacity as a poet, rare in his circle as a philosopher, and rare in alternate as a great thinker, who presented everything in the shape of poetry. I am talking about Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal. When he was born, the Muslims of the subcontinent were plunged into the depths of darkness. He aroused as a great ray of hope on the horizon of the subcontinent, and all the generation of Muslims became delighted. He presented the message of dignity, unity, and passion. All were wondering, he collected all. All were helpless, he stopped them fall. He took a case, he worked for others. He awakened the people, he lived for others. Iqbal was not a mere person. He was a genius who realized the horrible condition of Muslims, thought deeply over it, and eventually presented an outclass solution called two-nation theory. Allama Iqbal boosted the theory and publicized it across the subcontinent. It depicted the original ideology that the Muslims and Hindus were two different nations that could never be gathered in the same place. Iqbal raised his voice in the form of powerful verses that worked like a miracle, and Muslims became one under a single flag on a single platform. Allah is one, Prophet is one, Quran is one, the faith is one. If all is one, the earth and the sun, we will never separate, we all are one. Today we announce we all are one. Allama Iqbal continued to awake the souls of the Muslims by writing the poetry of freedom. He also guided people about the importance of Pakistan's existence. He provided solid leadership to the Muslims of the subcontinent and the occasions of the Round Table Conference at Allahabad. He strongly asserted his case. It was the turning point of the Pakistan movement. Iqbal wrote the explanation of Quranic verses in his poetry and transformed a pure religious message into the brains of the Muslims. He told them to feel their positions in this world and their lost status on the pages of history. He paved the way for people, but his main focus was the young generation and children. It seemed as he believed in convincing them and his ideas worked wonders. Pakistan came into existence as a practical shape of Iqbal's dream. His message has a lasting effect forever. I want to end my tribute in these words. He who does the extraordinary never dies. He who sweeps the other tears never cries. His name remains forever. He became a legend. He radiates his shiny rays. He became a diamond. He never gets buried as sixes or sevens. He buries in the grave. His soil stays in the heavens. Thanks for listening.